Hey guys, today I'll show you how to set up Welcomer bot in Discord. So first, just go and invite Welcomer bot on your Discord. Just find it on your Google search, and in here, click on the Welcomer bot and click invite Welcomer. You can continue it in your Discord app or on your Discord browser. Now go ahead and choose the server, click OK, and then choose the roles for the Welcomer bot. And then click authorize, and then just finish this captcha over here, and then go to your Discord. Now you'll see Welcomer is now on the server, so just create a channel for the Welcomer bot. So I'll use welcome here. Once you're in the welcome channel, just type / Welcomer, and you'll see the different commands in here. Then just type set channel, then choose the channel where you want the Welcomer bot to operate. Now after that, just type on / again. This time type Welcomer space enable. Once you're there, just choose all. Then right away, it will enable a welcome message, both text and pictures and DMs for the members who just joined the server. You can then test it by typing / Welcomer space test. Then choose the user, for example, Welcomer, and then just enter, and this will be the welcome message that your members will receive once they joined. Hope this helps.